Have you ever noticed it's getting harder to stand up after sitting for too long? Or perhaps the stairs feel a bit steeper lately, and your legs just don't have the same power they used to. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In fact, millions of older adults experience this gradual decline, often without realizing what's really happening. They think it's just aging, but often it's something else. Your legs are running low on energy. Hi, I'm Dr. Ilan Balance. For over 40 years, I've helped seniors across the country regain strength, ease pain, and move with confidence without relying on extreme diets or expensive treatments. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. When your legs start to weaken, your independence is at risk. But here's the good news. Supporting your leg strength doesn't have to be complicated. There are a few simple drinks. Yes, drinks that can help. They hydrate your muscles, calm inflammation, and support healthy circulation. And the best part? You probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the most powerful leg-supporting drinks for seniors, including a few you might not have thought of. We'll also explore why leg cramps, muscle loss, and fatigue happen in the first place and what you can do about it. Some of these tips may surprise you. One of the drinks even supports nitric oxide, a natural molecule that keeps your blood flowing and your legs feeling young. So grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and join me. And before we dive in, if you enjoy simple science-backed tips for senior wellness, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon. Here at Boost Senior Health, we're all about helping you stay active, independent, and strong, no matter your age. Let's discuss why your legs might start feeling weaker after 60 and what no one tells you about it. It often starts small. Maybe your legs feel stiff in the morning, or you notice a slight wobble when getting out of a chair. A few cramps here, a little soreness there, it's easy to brush off. But slowly, things change. The stairs get harder. You're more cautious walking on uneven ground. Your balance feels less reliable. You start avoiding activities you once enjoyed, not because you want to, but because your legs don't feel like they can keep up anymore. So what's happening? After age 60, several factors start to work against you silently. First, muscle mass naturally declines. This process, called sarcopenia, starts in your 30s but accelerates with age. Without proper nutrition and movement, your leg muscles slowly shrink, making you weaker even if you don't notice it right away. Second, circulation weakens. Your blood vessels lose flexibility, and your legs may not receive enough oxygen and nutrients, especially during rest or long periods of sitting. That's one reason many seniors experience nighttime leg cramps or that heavy feeling in the calves by evening. Additionally, imbalances in electrolytes like low magnesium or potassium can impact how your muscles contract and relax. That sudden cramp in the middle of the night isn't just bad luck, it's your body asking for some support. As we age, nerve decline is another factor. The connection between the brain and our legs becomes less responsive, leading to slower reaction times, weaker coordination, and a greater risk of falls. But the real challenge isn't just physical, it's emotional too. When your legs weaken, your confidence may waver. You might hesitate more, walk less, or avoid stairs and long outings, even social events, which over time can lead to feelings of isolation, sadness, brain fog, or even depression. But here's the hopeful truth. It's not too late to support your legs. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights. By giving your body the right daily support, especially through smart hydration and targeted nutrition, you can restore strength from the inside out. In the next sections, we'll explore 5 simple drinks that can help. They soothe inflammation, replenish lost minerals, support your muscles and nerves, and help you feel steady and strong again. 1. Turmeric milk, the golden drink that soothes your legs while you sleep. Now that we understand the hidden reasons why our legs weaken with age, let's explore the first natural remedy that's both time-tested and deeply comforting. It's called turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. While it may sound like something from an old folk recipe, science is now catching up to what ancient traditions have known for centuries. This warm, golden drink is a quiet powerhouse for sore joints, aching muscles, and restless nights. Imagine it's the end of the day, your legs feel tight, your knees are achy. Maybe you've had a long walk or just spent too much time sitting. Instead of reaching for a pain reliever or sleeping pill, you prepare a simple cup of turmeric milk. Gently warm the milk, add a bit of turmeric powder, a dash of cinnamon, and a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Stir slowly, sip quietly, and feel the warmth spread from your stomach down to your legs. So, why does this golden drink work so well? The answer lies in turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been shown in multiple studies to reduce inflammation markers commonly elevated in aging adults, especially those dealing with joint stiffness, soreness, or delayed recovery after light activity. When inflammation decreases, circulation often improves, meaning more blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients reach the tired tissues in your legs, helping them repair overnight while you sleep. But turmeric milk isn't just about the turmeric. Warm milk, whether dairy or plant-based, naturally contains amino acids that encourage relaxation. Cinnamon adds a gentle sweetness and offers anti-inflammatory benefits. Black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, making the entire drink more effective. Some seniors notice improved sleep within a week of regularly consuming turmeric milk, while others experience reduced morning stiffness. With all natural remedies, consistency is key. It's not about drinking a large glass in one night. It's about forming a gentle habit. Your body can benefit from just 1 cup each night. A quick word of caution. Turmeric may interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners. If you're on prescribed treatments, consult your doctor before making turmeric a daily habit. For many, this golden drink is soothing and empowering. Each warm sip is a small act of healing, self-care, and honoring your body by supporting it where it needs help. Number 2. Bone broth. The deep nourishment your legs crave. If turmeric milk is your evening ritual to soothe your legs to sleep, then bone broth is the steady foundation that helps rebuild them from within. It's not glamorous or trendy, but it is one of the most time-honored, nutrient-rich traditions across nearly every culture. For older adults seeking to regain leg strength, it might be one of the most powerful tools you can use. Bone broth isn't just soup, it's a concentrated, slow-simmered infusion of collagen, amino acids, and minerals, all crucial for maintaining the health of your muscles, joints, and connective tissue. As we age, our bodies produce less collagen, making our tissues more prone to damage and stiffness. Additionally, our ability to digest and absorb nutrients declines with age, making liquid nutrition like bone broth especially valuable. It's easy on the gut, high in bioavailable protein, and provides what aging tissues need to stay flexible and resilient. Many seniors who add bone broth to their diet find they move more freely, feel less stiff in the morning, and recover faster after walks or physical therapy. It's especially helpful for those with sore knees, weak ankles, or hip pain. The best part is, you don't need to buy expensive supplements. You can make it right at home with leftover chicken, beef, or fish bones simmered in water for 12 to 24 hours. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar to extract nutrients from the bones. Strain it, season lightly, and sip it warm like tea. This isn't a magic cure, it's nourishment. When your legs are calling for repair, sometimes the simplest, oldest methods offer the greatest relief. If your joints feel creaky or your muscles feel worn out, consider trying a mug of warm bone broth instead of immediately reaching for a pill. You might be pleasantly surprised by the benefits of giving your body the nourishment it truly needs, slowly and consistently with care. 3. Banana and almond smoothie. A natural electrolyte fix your legs will appreciate. Many seniors are familiar with this moment. You're resting peacefully, and suddenly a sharp cramp shoots through your calf. You clutch your leg, breathing through the discomfort. It's not just inconvenient, it's concerning. Nighttime leg cramps are common and frustrating for older adults. These cramps are often linked to low electrolytes, particularly potassium and magnesium. This simple and delicious smoothie can help. Combining ripe banana, almond milk, and a spoonful of almond butter provides the nutrients your muscles need to relax, recover, and perform. Let's break it down. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions and nerve signals. When potassium is low, muscles are more likely to spasm and misfire. Almonds are packed with magnesium, which supports over 300 essential functions in your body, including muscle and nerve communication. Magnesium also calms the nervous system, eases tension, and promotes better nighttime rest. Together, these ingredients offer a gentle yet powerful electrolyte boost. When blended with almond milk and a pinch of cinnamon, you get a smooth, creamy drink that nourishes your legs and satisfies your taste buds. Here's a simple recipe. 1 ripe banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon almond butter. Optional. A dash of cinnamon. Blend until smooth and enjoy chilled or at room temperature. You can have it as part of your breakfast or as a post-walk snack. The natural sugars in banana provide quick energy, while the fiber and protein help keep you full and steady without a crash. If you're managing diabetes or watching your blood sugar, enjoy this smoothie in moderation and consider pairing it with some protein or healthy fat to balance the carbs. If you're allergic to almonds, no problem, swap in sunflower seed butter, soy milk, or oat milk. It's not about perfection, it's about support. When your muscles are calling for help or your legs feel sluggish, the right nutrients can make all the difference. It's not about doing more, it's about gently providing what your body needs, consistently and with care. 4. Watermelon juice, hydration and circulation in one refreshing glass. Not all leg issues stem from stiffness or soreness. Often, the real issue is much simpler and more common: dehydration. As we grow older, our sense of thirst tends to decline. We may not feel as thirsty as before, even when our bodies are in dire need of water. Without adequate hydration, our blood can thicken, circulation can slow, and muscles may lose the fluid they need to function smoothly. This is where watermelon juice can be a wonderful ally, especially for seniors experiencing leg fatigue, heaviness, or poor blood flow. Watermelon is more than 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits available. But it's not just the water content that counts. Watermelon is also rich in citrulline, an amino acid that aids in producing nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, enhancing circulation throughout the body, including your legs and feet. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach tired muscles, reducing those heavy leg sensations that might make you want to sit down halfway through a walk. Unlike energy drinks or sugary juices, watermelon juice is gentle, natural, and surprisingly effective. Here's how to make it. Slice fresh watermelon, blend until smooth, and optionally add a few mint leaves or a squeeze of lime. Serve cold and enjoy. You don't need to strain it, as the pulp contains fiber that helps regulate blood sugar and keeps digestion steady. Even just 1 glass a day, especially on hot afternoons or after activity, can noticeably lighten and energize your legs. Watermelon juice is particularly beneficial for older adults with poor circulation, those prone to heat-related leg swelling, or anyone who tends to forget to drink enough water. It's also delicious, refreshing, and incredibly easy to prepare. As with all fruits, moderation is key, especially if you're watching your blood sugar. But compared to processed drinks, watermelon is a much healthier whole food choice. So next time your legs feel sluggish, ask yourself if you've had enough fluids today. If the answer is no, let watermelon be your sweet, hydrating medicine full of life-giving circulation support. Now, let's talk about beetroot juice, a fantastic circulation booster that supports leg energy. Sometimes your legs don't feel sore or stiff, they just feel tired, with a heavy dragging sensation, like your feet are weighed down. It's as if you have the will to move, but not the energy. If that's the case, your body might be signaling a need for better blood flow. Healthy circulation is the silent force behind nearly every function in your legs, from muscle movement to oxygen delivery, nutrient absorption, and cellular repair. As we age, circulation naturally slows down. This is where beetroot juice comes in. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, compounds that the body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule plays a crucial role in widening blood vessels and improving their flexibility, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to reach your muscles. The legs, being the farthest from the heart, often feel the effects of poor circulation first. Studies have shown that drinking beetroot juice can enhance exercise endurance, reduce fatigue, and lower blood pressure, all while boosting oxygen flow to your muscles. This is particularly beneficial for seniors who may feel winded after walking, struggle with cold feet or tingling legs, or want more energy for daily activities. But that's not all. Beets also offer iron, folate, and antioxidants that support blood health, reduce inflammation, and help produce healthy red blood cells. To make beet juice at home, wash and peel 1 or 2 medium-sized beets, chop them into chunks, and blend with water or apple juice. You can add lemon juice or ginger for flavor and strain if you prefer, or enjoy it with pulp for extra fiber. The taste is earthy and sweet, and its vibrant color matches the energy it brings. A few sips in the morning or before a walk can support leg circulation throughout the day. Unlike artificial boosters, beet juice works gently, building strength over time rather than in short bursts. If you're on blood pressure medication, consult your doctor before making beetroot juice a daily routine, as it can enhance the effects of some prescriptions. For many, this natural ruby red drink can help invigorate the legs, boost movement, and restore a sense of vitality. Because when blood flows, life follows. How to build a simple daily drink routine to support your legs. Over the years, one thing I've learned from working with seniors is this: small habits done consistently can transform your health. You don't need a complicated supplement plan or a dozen different powders, pills, or routines. You just need a few effective things that you can incorporate into your daily life. Here's my gentle advice. Choose 1 or 2 of the drinks we've discussed today and commit to them, not as a quick fix, but as a part of your daily rhythm. In the morning, focus on hydration and circulation with a glass of watermelon or beetroot juice before or after a short walk to energize your legs and start the day right. Midday or after activity, try a banana and almond smoothie, which is great after light exercise or when you feel leg tension. In the evening, let your body wind down with something soothing. Turmeric milk or a warm cup of bone broth can relax your muscles and support deep sleep and overnight recovery. You don't have to drink all 5 in a single day. Simply rotate them, stay consistent, and listen to how your body responds. Remember, hydration is healing when you drink with intention. You're not just nourishing your body, you're reconnecting with it. That's what longevity is truly about, not just more years, but better ones. Here's what we've learned today. Your legs do more than just support your body. They are your key to independence. They hold your freedom and your ability to live life on your own terms. While aging might slow you down, it doesn't have to stop you. Sometimes, it's not about doing more. It's about making better choices. Better hydration, better nourishment, and better daily habits quietly rebuild your strength, one step at a time. Whether you start with turmeric milk at night or a simple smoothie after your walk, what matters most is that you begin. Strong legs aren't just built in the gym. They're built in the kitchen with consistency and care. I hope today's video offered you something useful, something hopeful, and something real that you can incorporate into your everyday life. If you found this helpful, I'd love it if you tap the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video made just for you. More importantly, I want to hear from you. What part of today's video resonated with you most? Have you tried any of these drinks before? Or is there another topic you'd love us to cover, like balance?